The Acceleration Interactive Calculator solves kinematic equations for motion analysis in engineering applications. Let me show you the key inputs. First, we have a drop-down menu for select calculation mode with 6 options. Calculate acceleration from velocity change, calculate final velocity, calculate displacement, calculate time required, calculate initial velocity, and calculate final velocity from displacement. For this demonstration, I'm using Calculate Acceleration. The input fields are initial velocity v0, final velocity v, acceleration a, time t, and displacement s. For our worked example, let's analyze a vehicle accelerating from rest. When you enter your values and click Calculate, the results appear in multiple output fields. The primary result shows your calculated acceleration value. The displacement result tells you how far the object traveled during acceleration. The average velocity result gives you the mean velocity over the time interval. The classification result categorizes your acceleration as constant, increasing, or decreasing. If applicable, the force result estimates the force required for the given acceleration and mass. Any warnings about unrealistic values appear in the warning field. This tool streamlines your kinematic calculations for design verification. Find the link in the description below.